Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your iPhone to an Infiniti QX80. The most reliable and fully integrated method is through a wired connection using Apple CarPlay. You will need a high-quality USB to Lightning cable. This connection allows you to access navigation, music, and messaging directly on your car's display. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and running the latest iOS version for seamless pairing. This ensures all features function correctly. To begin, locate the USB port in your Infiniti QX80, typically found in the center console or dashboard. Plug the USB end of your cable into this port. Then, connect the Lightning end to your iPhone. Your vehicle's infotainment screen should then prompt you to enable Apple CarPlay. Accept these prompts to mirror your iPhone's compatible apps onto the car's display. This setup provides the most stable and feature-rich experience. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. On another note, if you're looking to bring your space to life with amazing sound and smart home control, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic device for any room. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. If you encounter connection issues, first ensure you are using an Apple-certified or MFI-approved USB cable. Generic cables can sometimes cause intermittent connectivity problems. Try restarting both your iPhone and the Infiniti QX80 infotainment system. You can also check your iPhone settings under General, then CarPlay, to manage your vehicle and customize which apps appear on the display. A clean, direct connection is key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.